Hi, good morning. This is Modular International Inc. Today I would like to introduce the swing model for VOE EC210BLC and the EC210c swing model assembly. First, I would like to show you the overall appearance of the swing model. And there are total 8 assembly holes on the swing model, and the shaft have total 19 teeth, and the assembly hole between each hole they're the same space, all the same, distance the same. So if you are interested, you're welcome to contact our company. Our email address is modular@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a good day.